Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how PayPal works if you're under 18 and what alternatives you can use. PayPal has a strict rule that you must be at least 18 years old to create your own account. This is because PayPal requires you to enter legal and financial information that minors can't provide on their own. If you're under 18, the safest option is to ask a parent or guardian to create a PayPal account and manage it for you. Or they can set up a joint bank account where you can access funds under their supervision. Another option is to use prepaid debit cards or teen-friendly banking apps that allow online purchases and money transfers with parental approval. Some popular services also offer family accounts, where parents control the main account and teens get limited access. The important thing is to always follow PayPal's rules, because creating a fake account can lead to permanent bans. So while you can't open a PayPal account under 18, you do have safe alternatives to manage money online. And that's it. Now you know the proper way to handle PayPal if you're under 18. Subscribe the channel for more videos.